Seeing MSBCP 140, BC Runtime 140, or other common DLL files missing errors on your Windows PC? Here's how you can fix them. Now, as with most troubleshooting, rebooting should be what you try first. So just save your work, try to restart, and try whatever caused the error again. If that method did not work, check for the missing DLL files since it might be deleted accidentally. So you have to check the recycle bin for the DLL in question and restore it if you find it here, and restore it if you find it there. Next, install Windows Update by opening Settings, click Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates, then download and install any pending updates. Additionally, try updating relevant drivers by opening Device Manager, right-click on the affected driver, then choose Update Driver. Lastly, try running the SFC or the System File Checker command. To do that, open Command Prompt with admin rights, enter the following command, press Enter, and when it finishes, Windows will tell you if it found any problems. So that's how you can fix the DLL files missing errors in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.